I'm here to show you that you don't need heaps of butter and cream to cook fish. You can absolutely make delicious fish with a few clever tricks I'm about to show you. The first way is to buy fresh fish. I went shopping for fish. I picked barramundi, but just about any fish will work for this recipe. This is barramundi, which is a white fish, so it's high in protein and naturally lower in calories. Since this is a very delicate fish, we're going to go with delicate flavors as well. Lemon zest goes really well with fish, and so we're going to do some lemon zest and some lemon juice, as well as some olive oil. Now, olive oil is the only ingredient with a high fat content other than the fish itself. So we're going to add some salt and pepper, which are the usual suspects, as well as some lemon juice that you can see. I'm adding some Himalayan pink salt, which is lower in saltiness than white salt, some parsley, which you can absolutely use fresh, and some chili flakes, some coriander powder, which adds that nuttiness to the dish. Since we're not going to add oil when we fry, don't be afraid to add a little bit of olive oil and lemon juice. The acid in the lemon juice cooks the fish very quickly, so we're not going to marinate this for very long. We're going to cook this immediately. The style for today's dish is to use skewers, which is such a fun and easy way to prepare, especially if you have a dinner party and want to cook before your guests arrive, because it only takes a few minutes to cook. We're going to heat a pan without any oil on a medium heat. This is because the marination has enough oil to cook this, as well as the fish releases its own oil. So that forms a really nice sizzle. And the best part about using skewers is that because you have small bite-sized chunks, these really hold them together and allow a lovely charring for the fish, which you wouldn't get if you just put pieces of fish on a pan without skewers. This only takes a few minutes to cook. These fish skewers are really high in protein and low in calories, making it a perfect snack to enjoy for a nutritious meal. I've used barramundi, but you might have used a different fish. Please comment which fish you've used, and I can help you out with adjusting the recipe for the fish. Look how juicy and tender these have turned out. These can be enjoyed with some tartar sauce, which I've made with some yogurt and chopped up dill. Leave a comment and subscribe because that'll really help me out. Until next time.